Afternoon.
Yeah, very good afternoon. And what about you? How are you?
I'm doing good and I hope you are also doing good.
Yeah, I'm great. I'm fantastic. Okay. So today you are
So
looking.
I just okay, I'm giving just a little bit introduction in a very brief mode. Can I give?
Okay. Yeah. First, I would like to confirm your name pronunciation very quickly because I don't know what is your name actually.
My name is Tanya and I'm connecting with you from Rajasthan.
Okay.
I'm a homemaker and I'm living here with my family. This is all about me.
Okay. It's great introduction. I think that so you are living in Rajasthan. So I would like to pick up one question that what's your mother tongue?
I will pick up a question because you are belonging from a city of joy, Kolkata.
Yeah, it's a great city and a huge city. I think.
Yeah, I have so many questions for you.
Okay, first sure I will get into your question. So I'm
But
curious to know about your mother tongue.
I like your mother tongue Bengali because when you are speaking, sometimes it shows your accent that you are Bengali.
Okay, so your mother tongue is Malayalam, Marwari.
Mother tongue is Hindi, and sometimes you feel because I am belong from NCR,
Ah,
and there are some areas like Delhi and
okay.
Haryana, Panipat. Sometimes my accent can be, you can recognize this.
Yeah, so your accent is different because you are belonging from different kinds of places. So, do you know how to speak in Marwari?
No, I don't know.
Why you don't know? Because
Marwari is very
yeah, Rajasthani they have their own language is Marwari. I think those are living in Bikaner and
different kind of person. They are here. They are not all our person are Marwadi. There are Sunar also. There are
hmm,
Meena also. Marwadi is
hmm.
another community. Rajput also.
Okay, yeah. Oh,
So many
so,
kinds of There are Rajput, Jat, Gujjar, all are here.
but you are introduce yourself that you are from Rajasthan. So if anyone asked you,
My husband is working in Rajasthan, so I am here. But I am basically from Uttar Pradesh.
okay, that's cool, sounds good. But when you are going to interact in your neighbor, so what is the language you are using in probably
Hindi,
Hindi? Okay, yeah,
yeah,
that's great.
our mother tongue.
So, okay. So now it's your time, I think. So you are very much quite familiar with the language in Bengali. So what's your first question? I think.
Mm, in Bengal, I have researched some things. So actually, your profession is driving. Okay,
Yeah, absolutely
am
right.
I right?
You're
Okay,
perfect.
yeah. And you belong from Kolkata, and Kolkata is famous for Rabindranath Tagore, and there are so many great persons, great leaders came from West Bengal.
Okay.
It is the capital city of
Yeah. So you mean to say that there are lots ample of celebrities they were from in our city, right?
India. There are so many good universities also.
Yeah.
Presidency College also in Kolkata, and there is a Indian coffee shop. And it is a very famous coffee shop of Kolkata,
Yeah.
where Rabindranath Tagore, Subhash Chandra Bose, all the famous celebrities have taken their coffee. And
Okay.
I think it is 150 years old, I think, maybe two. I don't know the actual, but it is very old. And there is a book market also, Street Kolkata. I don't know the particular name, where you can find second-hand book also. It is largest book street in Kolkata.
Okay.
Do you know?
Yeah. Yes, I know. I know everything. But apart from the university, because if you will going to ask me any type of questions related to education, so I cannot answer you properly
Okay,
because
okay.
yeah.
I'm talking some marketplace. Like there is a Bada
Okay.
Bazaar, Bada Bazaar, New Bazaar. That is
Hmm.
called also Og Market. It
Yeah.
was
Canning
established by
Street.
yeah,
Yeah.
and there is a tram facility also.
Yeah. prior I used to watch some tram, but tram facility is day by day decreasing, I think that. So
I think
somehow
this
it's,
is not
yeah,
in any city of India.
yeah, apart from Kolkata, because Kolkata is
Yeah,
only one of the city available in tram. Yeah,
yeah. It is a very cultural city. And
yeah,
it is established in 1686 by a British agent. I forget the name.
yeah, yeah. Okay. So you are quite familiar with my city. So how did you learn everything about my city?
Yes. First of all, I'm a mm, Kolkata is a very famous city. Everybody knows
Hmm.
the sweets are very famous of Kolkata, Sandesh, Rasgulla,
Uh,
and there is a special, street type food, jhalmuri.
ah, oh my God.
Jhalmuri. It is very famous.
Yeah,
Am
because
I
ladies are always insensible for eating something that jalmuri, pani
right?
puri, and golgappa like
No,
that. So,
jhalmuri I have heard in National Geographic Channel.
ah,
Heard.
okay,
And there is cham cham, Sandesh, and Mishti Doi. Very famous.
okay, okay. No need to mention anything about the sweets because all of the kinds of sweets are very fabulous.
Hmm.
Yeah.
And there is Hubli Nadi also, Hubli River.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And Kolkata established, I think, in the east side of this river.
Okay. So I think that I have been too late to communicate with you because I have missed so
You
many
know,
things. Earlier, I
Bombay,
have to.
uh,
Yeah.
I'm talking with you like Bombay, all person know that it is Bollywood. But when
Hmm,
you go, I think 50 years, Kolkata has already set up the film industry.
hmm, hmm. Yeah.
Many Satyajit Ray, Amratya Sen, they are very famous celebrities.
Yeah, in film industry, if I will think, there are ample number of heroine and maybe
Yeah,
plenty of singer and quite famous singer. They were
yeah.
from in our city. I really believe that. And when the
They are
yeah,
Bengali. They are
yeah,
Bengali.
yeah, they were from Bengal. Yeah, they were Bengali. Yeah, isn't it? You are right.
Yes, I am also living in Kolkata. But I never visited Kolkata. My mama has already visited.
Okay, so why did you got any opportunity to visit in Kolkata?
When I got good opportunity, then good opportunity, I think no. There is some wedding in my relation.
Hmm.
Definitely, I will to Kolkata.
Okay, so when it will be much easier for you, then you are dreaming for visiting Kolkata, right?
Yeah, I'm also dreaming.
Okay, so you are most welcome. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
yeah. Let me tell about yourself. Now you are sitting in Delhi, I think.
No, no, I'm right now connecting with you, Jaipur, Pink City.
Jaipur, Pink City. Okay, yeah. I haven't got any opportunity to be there. Maybe in future I will be there very soon in
Mhm.
Jaipur because I have heard about a lot of things about this city. And so, mm, what is the basic reason that you are on this platform? And maybe you will ask these questions to me. I'm pretty sure that.
Then
So,
no, I never ask this question anyone because we all are aware that we are here for learning English
yeah.
and fluency also. So I never
Okay.
ask. And then
So,
I never repeat that type of question. What are you doing for improving? Because
okay.
everyone has different methods.
Mm,
I never. I
okay.
only just say, it's like you are belonging from Calcutta. I'm belonging right now. I'm belonging from Rajasthan. So if
Okay.
somebody wants to know something about Rajasthan, which I know, I will elaborate.
Okay. So,
Talk about Jaipur. Jaipur is a very good city for visiting, and for tourist place, it is very famous. Most of the foreigners come here every year,
mm.
and this is
So,
very good time for coming Jaipur.
okay. So, did you got any opportunity to talk with the foreigner people? Because
Yeah, I
I'm,
have talked because
yeah.
there is Amer Fort. So many
Mm,
foreigners come here.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm the person who love to immerse to foreigner people because if I will get any chance to talk with them, so definitely I'm going to talk with them. Yeah, because
There
I
are can go some
yeah.
places like Amer Fort
Hmm,
and Nahargarh Fort
hmm.
and Chowki Dhani place where you can find large number of foreigners.
Okay. So I have one question. When I have started this conversation, so that time you told me that you are from Kolkata and you get to know me about my
Okay, okay,
accent. That
yes.
some of my talking because influence with my mother tongue. So how did you catch these things that I have some influence with my mother tongue as well?
Everybody can recognize very easily because Bengali accent is very different. Everybody can recognize it very easily.
But I'm not talking in Bengali, so I'm talking with the different language. One of the distant language is English. So
Because I think you are living in Bengal or you can say Kolkata by birth, and it is
mm,
your birthplace also, and you are
mm,
basically from Bengali also. So
yeah,
I think it is natural. If I belong from
okay,
Bihar and I suppose if I belong from Bihar and my birthplace is also Bihar and I'm living in Bihar,
okay.
definitely that will come.
uh, I don't
And
know.
I think
I don't have any idea.
I
I have
think there is
slight.
bad thing if we
mm.
get this, our mother tongue touch. It is not a bad thing.
So it's sometimes it's happened that if you want to try to rush things up in your conversation, in your talk, so maybe sometime it happened that influence your mother tongue is happens because we are not too much practical and tend to use our mother tongue so in daily basis. But if you will talk more and more, and if you will want to try to learn any other accent, so definitely you have to do the lots of work, and maybe it will take time. It is not possible
I
to
never
overnight. Yeah.
type of thing because when you talk to South Indian person,
Hmm.
you can easily recognize that they are South Indian person.
Okay, so they don't if they will tell the good, say they said good
Yes,
like that. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I
and
heard
if
about this South Indian people.
talking some Arabian people, some
Hmm.
Arab country people, so you can easily that they are Arab.
Ah,
Can
yeah,
you find
that's it. Okay.
every
Okay.
person their mother tongue influence. If you
Yeah,
talk to
because
American people, their accent is different. If you are talking British people, their accent is different.
but it is absolutely true that if you will talk in English and if you will want to talk with the English, so you have to apply any third accent, I think, because maybe some people will not easily recognize you that you are from that particular place, right?
I'm giving you a very, example. My very great, you can say very close relative is living in USA.
Hmm.
Okay, but they belong from, everyone know they are belong from India, but
Hmm.
their children are born there. So
Hmm.
their accent, American accent, but my relative accent is total Indian English.
Hmm. Okay.
Accent because that children are going American school. Their
Hmm.
surrounding is totally American, and they have already, they have birth also in America. So their accent is total American.
Okay.
When I talk, sometimes I say, please speak slowly because I can't speak.
Okay. So when you talked, can you understand the American accent?
Sometimes I understand, but sometimes it is very difficult.
Okay, sometime it will be complicity with you because American accent and much easier, I think, more than British accent. So British is too
But they
difficult
are
to understand. Yeah,
most of the they are chewing.
yeah. Okay. So in this present scenario, I think you are able to speak in English very fluent, and you don't have any hesitation because I have seen some already. I have already spoke with you some couple of minutes. So in in those conversation, I think that. you never feel any grammatical hiccups, and you don't have any hesitation. So what is the encouragement you have got from where, I think, because you are daily basis you are going to interact with the different people. I'm a totally in stranger for you. So how you will get the confidence level by yourself?
I will give all my, God. I believe in
Ah,
God.
okay. And one more thing, that your smile when you are going to talk with someone, so you are smiling a lot, because smile is the biggest weapon to others. I really believe that, because English is appeals me a lot in this time. So that's the time, you if you are enjoying with this conversation, and if you are going to free with them, so definitely they will get the more confidence by themselves. So it's the biggest
I'm
thing.
telling
Keep it
you,
off.
like you are saying that we are meeting first time on a conversation mode. Okay. If
Yeah.
I make my face very serious,
Ah.
then you feel that she is a very arrogant person. But I'm not an arrogant person. Okay. So
Mm,
I always try to make my co-learner very comfortable.
mm. Okay.
English,
So
English
maybe,
learning is
maybe.
another thing, but I think every person should be first of all smiling face
Mm,
so
mm.
that their co-learner will, very easily mingle.
Yeah, because some of the learners, they actually they are beginner, so that time they feel quite nervous and quite apprehensive, and maybe they will irritable quite by talking to each other. So you said that you are not a arrogant person, but maybe when you will get to see yourself that you are become a renowned person, so that time maybe you will become arrogant person within a couple of years later, maybe when you will when you will get more
Say,
fluency with this language.
no, I think this is God gift nature,
Hmm.
and I always want that it should be always, hmm, yeah,
Always
we should be
calm,
always humble,
calm.
polite, and calm person,
Ah, that's great.
and
Okay,
we should
nice.
always have a smiling face because every person in a daily life,
Hmm.
very stressful life we are, right now all person are living. But
Hmm.
when you are talking with someone, you feel happy.
Hmm.
If you feel, this person is very rude person,
Hmm.
this will put a negative effect.
Okay, so this is the first time I'm looking to you, that someone want to tell that she is a great contribute with her family members, and maybe this is the first time I'm seeing someone that who wanted to like tell something about that matter as well, because some of YouTuber, I have I have seen some of their video, and if I will going to interact with them, because sometime I want to talk with them, but they are they have their own grab, I think. So they are not provide the email, maybe they have their they have so many judgment that they should talk with this person or they should not talk with this person. So you don't have any acrimonious with your mindset, so I'm very happy, and I'm totally ecstatic.
Really, I am also happy that you are giving me this compliment.
Yeah, of course, why not, because a good person can give you the happy, and they will always give you the memory as well, because we can never forget those good kinds of people. When I have started my journey, so that time I was fumbling a lot, but some of I don't want to mention his or her name here, but she has actually she has given me the lot of encouragement for how can I express myself, and how can I uh, devote myself on my conversation, and if you want to make communicate with the people, so how your behavior like that. So yeah, so I had so many things, and I did a lot of things in my journey. That's how I can learn this language, and maybe within a few months later I will be reached to my accomplished